Our hearts have a strong role in determining or establishing what kind of thoughts we would be having and how our response would be. We realize that basically Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he has already made it clear to us that in our body there is a piece of flesh. إِذَا فَسَدَتْ فَسَدَ الْجَسَدُ كُلُّهُ. If that piece of flesh is having a fasad in it, is having some problem in it, the whole body would be problematic. And وَإِذَا صَلُحَتْ صَلُحَ الْجَسَدُ كُلُّهُ. If that piece of flesh is right, then the entire body would be right. And Rasulullah said, "Ala wahi al-qalb," that know that that piece of flesh is your heart. Your heart has a way of establishing the sanity of your entire body. If heart is in its right place, the whole body is in the right place, and if it isn't, then the whole body isn't. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also addressed heart directly, and has made it clear that it is not that the people become blind, it is the hearts that become blind. In another place Allah said that it is the ears and the eyes and the hearts, all of them would be questioned. So all of these ayats we reflected on, we understood about them. Then we also looked at the scientific study, to see that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that it is the heart basically that is questioned, and the heart that is being asked, or is it's not the eyes that go blind, but rather it is the heart that goes blind. And if Allah is addressing all of these statements to the heart, then of course there is no doubt that it is the heart, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, "Innaha la ta'mal absaru walakin ta'mal qulubu allati fis sudur." It is the heart which is in your chest actually that goes. So even if somebody is to draw that no, actually it's the heart is subservient, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, no, I'm not talking about any other organ, I'm talking about the heart in the chest, right? Al-qulub allati fis sudur, that it's the heart which is in the chest that I'm talking about. So previously we couldn't really comprehend or support this argument with science, but then we learned that since 2018 and then further reinforced in 2022, there is now plenty of scientific evidence that supports that there are independent neurological activity that takes place in the heart, and the amount of signals that are sent by those neurological activities to the brain are much more than the neurological signals that are sent from the brain to the heart. So inshallah the details of it are in the previous lecture. I'm just summarizing it all for you.